Welcome to the 3-week Premium Client Challenge. You didn't just sign up for more information. You signed up to take action and finally get premium clients the smart way. If we haven't met, I'm Sundey Gardner, founder of the Online Travel Boss School. And for the next 21 days, I'm walking you through a proven step-by-step plan to help you attract high-paying travel clients without burning out, doing the most, or chasing everyone. This is an implementation challenge, not a masterclass, not a webinar, not just ideas that you scribble in a notebook and forget. This is about doing the work. Each week has a clear goal. Week 1, you choose your premium client strategy and build a plan. Week 2, you design your offer and your messaging. And week 3, you launch, track, and adjust like a CEO. You'll get a new video every few days, plus a daily email to keep you moving forward. The challenge is self-paced, but it's designed for momentum. So do not wait to get ready. Start with what you have. Start with where you are. Everything is designed to walk you through it one clear step at a time. Also, this is not something you need to do alone. Go now and introduce yourself inside the Travel CEO community. Post your why, as in why you joined the challenge and what result you want to walk away with. Because once you say it's publicly, it's real. You're in. You're doing this. Check your email for your day 1 instructions. Grab your first worksheet and let's move. I'll see you inside.